Hey, welcome back. Still 11:24. Just put these on the side. Next box. 25 cell number again. 34208647. Oops. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Sorry, a little better like this. Empty box. Here we go. I'll just show you again the list of winners so you guys see that the thing is fixed. So we got a base. We got the color contenders for the San Jose Sharks once again, numbered out of 999. Ari Sateri. Just verify the back. Yeah, Ari Sateri. Cup contenders. From the back, base, and a spacer. Calgary Flames, base, another base, spacer, base, and base. Base, spacer, base, and base. Base. We got the Cup contenders for the Philadelphia Flyers once again, numbered out of 999. We've got this time Danny Briere. On the back we've got base card, base, spacer, base, spacer, base, and base. Base. We got a Contenders Legacies out of 999 for the LA Kings, Luc Robitaille. From the back, base, spacer, base. Oops, two came out. Base. We've got for the Colorado Avalanche, Calder Contenders out of 800, Gabriel Landeskog. Auto. Very nice hit for the Colorado Avalanche. This one belongs to Dasher 500. Congrats. base card, base card, spacer, 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 sorry, base, 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 this is a spacer, base and base, this one feels tight. Let's see if I pause it again. Seems like yes. So we got a base card, base, 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 out of 100 again. We've got a Contenders, Calder Contenders for the Minnesota Wild, Drew Bagnall. There you go, Minnesota Wild. Base, 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 spacer, two bases, base card, base card. We got for the Calgary Flames, Calder Contenders out of 800, Roman Orak autographed. So for the Calgary Flames, there we go. From the back, we've got base card, base, and our spacer. Base, 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 spacer, base, and base. Base, 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 spacer, oh, base and base. Base, 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 spacer, base and base. 4 packs to go. Base, oh, stop here, let's go in the back. Base, base, spacer, and like this. NHL ink for the Phoenix Coyotes. We've got Andy Miele autograph. There we go. Three packs to go. Got a base, 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 spacer, base, and another base. base, base. For the Winnipeg Jets, we got a Calder Contenders out of 999, Paul Postma, Winnipeg. There we go. Base card. Base. Spacer. Base, 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 spacer, base, and base. So that's it for the packs. Let's do a quick recap. So we've got for the Winnipeg Jets, Calder Contenders, Paul Postma. For the Phoenix Coyotes, we got an NHL Inc. Andy Miele. For the Calgary Flames, we've got a Calder Contenders, Roman Orak autographed. We've got for the Minnesota Wild, Drew Bagnell, Calder Contenders out of 100. We got for the Colorado Avalanche, Calder Contenders out of 800, Gabriel Landeskog. Wow. Landeskog. Much better like this. We got a Contenders Legacy out of 999 for the LA Kings, Luke Robitaille. A Cup Contenders for the Philadelphia Flyers out of 999, Danny Briere. For the San Jose Sharks, we got a Cup Contenders out of 999, Ari Sateri. Philadelphia Flyers, Cup Contenders out of 999, Claude Giroux. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we've got a Cup Contenders, Steven Stamkos out of 100. Sorry, I was just trying to look at Cyril while I was speaking. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we've got the Cup Contenders out of 999 of Mikhail Gabrowski. For the Dallas Stars, we've got an NHL Inc. of Thomas Vicor. For the Florida Panthers, we've got a Hugh Jessiman, sorry, out of 999 as well. For the San Jose Sharks, very nice looking card out of 100, Logan Couture. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, we've got an autograph card of Ben Scrivens out of 800. So again, folks, don't forget, if you want a grab bag or the bonus list, just let me know. If you don't, let me know by tomorrow. I will automatically put you on the bonus list. Thank you.